Hey guys, I am back today with an OOTD, and also I want to go over something that I did with one of my Louis Vuitton bags. I changed the strap, so I want to talk about that. Plus I added a few bag charms, kind of like I have updated an older bag and made it a bit more modern, kind of like for summer. And also I want to go over some of the bags that I liked in addition to my Lady Dior that I bought recently, which is this beauty. I am in love with this bag. The more I look at it, the more I love it. It's like I made the right choice, you guys. But I did try a lot of other bags, which I want to talk about because there's a lot of other bags that I did like, to my surprise, and there's others that I didn't, so I just want to go over that. But first I just want to talk quickly about this bag. So this bag came with this strap, so it's like a chain, which is really pretty. And I use this chain with my YSL kind of like little clutch, which I've shown here, like in shorts specifically. But what I did, because yesterday we wanted to go to a patio, I don't know where else we went because it was 80 degrees, you guys. So I don't know, we went to two places. The thing is that I was like, okay, let me see which bag I'm gonna use. So it occurred to me to change the strap. So I changed the strap from that chain to this strap from the Speedy. This strap came with my Speedy. This one I got on TikTok Shop because Louis Vuitton doesn't sell this separately. So I did try it with this bag and it does not look good, you guys. It looks awkward. I did try it, but it looks great with this strap, you guys. It looks super cute, actually. Kind of like modernizing the bag a little bit, and it looks all right. It looks cute. And not only that, but I did add these two charms, like this cute cherry charm that I already had. I got it last year in TJ Maxx. It is really cute. Look at these cute cherries. I love that. And this is newer. So I got this, I think it was like in March. I don't know. I remember it was freaking cold that day. It was like 10 degrees. So anyway, I went to like an Asian place that they have a lot of machines, that like a lot of like claw machines. So anyways, I won this and it's so cute because it's the year of the horse. And I love like these kind of things, like Asian culture things. I just love it. I don't know, I feel like them and us, we have like a lot of similarities. So I just thought it was just super cute. Oh my god. Plus the owner of the place gave me a cute pen, and I love pens. So anyway, this is like a quick update, kind of like upgrading your bags, like bags that you already have. I would say interchange the chains, straps, all that. Overall it looks cute and I do like it. I feel like that was a long explanation for what I did. But I just wanted to be very detailed, you guys. I'm a very detailed oriented person. And that's pretty much the bag I've been wearing all weekend. We went to get sushi the other day too because I love sushi. And also I was in my period and I just wanted sushi. That's all I wanted. So that's what I got. Anyway, so I also wanted to show you this top. So this is from Zara, you guys. I've been eyeing this for a few weeks because they did have it posted on their website, but then it was like, oh, it's launching soon. So for a little bit they had it on their website, but you couldn't buy it. I rechecked and I was able to get it, and the shipping is so fast, you guys. It's kind of amazing. It's kind of like almost Amazon Prime. Anyway, okay, I love this. It's the first tank top that I see anybody pretty much kind of like selling that is like green and white stripes, kind of like green stripes pretty much, and white background. I love that. Plus I love the little like metal here. So it's ZA and it has a year. Very cute. I will put the number of the item below. I love this top. So I love tank tops. That's kind of like my summer thing. I'm really heavily against t-shirts. I'm not a t-shirt person at all, especially like the normal t-shirts that look very baggy. I don't like those at all. I like everything adjusted more to the body. For summer, I'm definitely a tank top person. And I said a couple of videos ago that I want to make a dedicated video talking about tank tops, which I will probably after this video. I don't know. It's just I have a couple of video ideas planned already. Now that I have received this tank top, I feel like I'm now ready to make that video for tank tops specifically because I just love it. Plus, Zara has been making tank tops that are 100% cotton. So this is 100% cotton, which I'm like mind blown. All right, and I'm happy. And this was only $30. Now, I don't think I need a second one because I did that for the aloe tank top. I bought a second white one just to have it in stock. I don't feel like I need a second one of these because I just think that it's going to last me a long time where I'm just going to take great care of it and not ruin it and not stain it. Yeah, so I'm good with one tank top and I just love it. I love stripes. I'm just like very into greens, very into blues, very into yellows this summer season. And then this cardigan is from Ralph Lauren, and the reason why I'm wearing it right now is because the mornings are kind of like chilly because it's still not summer. It's like definitely getting there, and yes, I feel like I am definitely defrosted at this point, which is great. But in the mornings it's still a bit chilly. But I just thought that this was so cute, obviously, and this is from the kids section. So this pattern specifically is like the braided pattern. I forgot exactly how it's called, oh my gosh. But the thing is that this is the mini size because when you go to the women's section, this is not available, like the mini size of the braided pattern. It's all the normal size, which is fine, but it's just like, at the time that I bought this cardigan, I was looking for something new, something fresh, and I was getting tired of kind of like the same thing over and over again. So this is from the kids section. I feel like this is a size large. I could have gotten the X large, but I was okay with the large because it looks cute. Plus I can wear it open or I can just button everything up and wear it kind of like as a sweater top, which I have. Not only that, but the little horse thing, let me see where it is. Yeah. So the little horse logo, it's really tiny. It's like smaller than the sweaters in the women's section. And this is the other part. I feel like the women's section has a lot of cardigans that are so cute. There's cardigans that are with buttons like this one, and there's others that are like with a zipper. But the logos, and they're really cute, but the logo is like, it takes all your boob, right? Like from here to down here almost. I like the logo, especially the RL and all that, but it's just like, it's too big. It's like, make it tinier, make it micro, right? Like that will work really well for me, but that's why I'm in the kids section shopping there because it does fit. Some of these kids are like so tall and so huge, but it benefits me because I can shop in the kids section and typically things there are like cheaper. So yeah, that is my top. And then I just have like a short. I love kind of like that boat short, white short. It has 2 pockets in front, but it looks so cute and I love it. So let me go quickly through the Dior bags that I liked. So pretty much I went a second time after I bought my cute, beautiful Lady Dior bag mini. I went again in the color latte. I went back because I wanted to try additional bags. So when I bought that bag, I just tried pretty much just Lady Dior's. But when I went back, I did try this book tote, which I'm going to show right here. I did not expect to like the book tote. It's not about the design specifically. However, I did love that design specifically. It is just so cute. Oh my god. And I love the cute, beautiful pinks and the greens. I love green, you guys. Hence why I'm wearing this right now. And I just loved it so much. And I tried 2 sizes. I tried the smaller size and I tried the medium. The one that I'm showing here is the medium, and I actually liked the medium better than the smaller size because I can use it as a shoulder bag if I really want to. So it did fit on my arm. The only thing that had me thinking, like, that really I was very hesitant about is really the huge logo, you know, with the medallion, with the huge Dior. You know, you're gonna stick out like a sore thumb. So is it beautiful and stunning? Absolutely, I loved it. And it's my absolute surprise that I like book totes now, where before I wasn't interested, but now I'm kind of like interested. But in reality, I just don't want to carry the huge logo for now. I don't know. Okay, so the other bags that I tried, I will put pictures here too, is the kind of like that black and the typical kind of like Christian Dior with a cute little medallion in the middle. Very, very cute, but I tried it on and it's like not for me either. I just feel like it has kind of like a very Western feel to it, and that is just not what I'm going for either. So of course there's a lot of very cute bags. Doesn't mean I have to have every single cute bag out there, specifically if I'm not like 100% in love with the bag. Like, that's how I feel about my Lady Dior. That's how I like buying bags. I need to feel like I love the bag so much and like I'm gonna wear it tons. That's how I like to buy bags. Okay, so I tried this bag, not in the pink because the pink is not in stores yet. This is pretty much why I went back. I wanted to try this bag. I was so curious about it. I saw it on the fashion show online on Instagram and I was like, ah, I need to try that bag. So I went back. I did try it in the small size, and in the larger size I think it's a medium. I feel like it's a medium, but I tried it in other colors, the colors that were available, which is kind of like that off-white color, maybe latte as well, I'm not sure, and then like two other darker colors. I did try them in all colors. Like my salsa Silvia, she's so nice. Oh my god, I love her already. And out of both sizes, I loved the medium 100%. But the thing is that it's nothing other. So this is why it's important to try everything in person before hitting purchase. Like, you cannot purchase, for the most part, a bag unless you try it on, you see it in person. So this particular bag, you have to try it in person. You cannot just like click buy online. I would highly suggest you going in person and trying it, because you'll be kind of shocked maybe, because in pictures how people have been carrying it, the models, it looks like it's more like thicker on the sides, but it's really not. It's nothing other than an envelope bag. So pretty much kind of like, imagine a case, like a really plush case for your laptop. It's kind of like that. So it's like you have to give it a shape. So I was a bit surprised by it. I do like the overall design on the outside, kind of like that plush, kind of like pillowy appearance, but it's just an envelope bag, so you have to put things in the bag to like make it wider, I guess. The straps is not something like this where it has like a claw clip, right? And then it is secured. It's not secure. It is a little metal bar of the same color. It's just a bar. Imagine my finger is a bar. There's no claw. So you pretty much stick it in the hole. So I just feel like if I get the bag, I can lose it. I don't know, the strap can't come out. For those two reasons, I think I'm not gonna go for it. And not only that, but if you really want the pink color, it's gonna come anywhere in September. And by that point, in many countries, including here where I live, in the north part of the US, it's gonna start getting chilly. And in September, you guys, summer's over, right? Almost. So I don't know if I really want to like consider. I just think it's a no for me. I did try kind of like that yellow Dior. I tried a couple of others, but in essence, I feel like my choices at the end of the day are the best choices. And it is just like more of like evidence that I do stick with my checklist, you guys. And I've talked about this before, like, is a bag for the long haul? Is it gonna last me a long time? in terms of like, is it gonna match my wardrobe? Yeah, so a lot of things play into my decision making, and I just want to, every time I just spend so much money in a bag, I just want it to be the right choice for me, for my wardrobe, my life, what I'm going for. And also very important to me, longevity. Oh my god, this is already a long video unnecessarily. Thank you everybody for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.